Alright, I'm trying to get a overflow line put in. So this is the motor mounted sideways. The muffler's down at the bottom. Alright, so we have the fuel line going to the carburetor. 3 fuel lines coming out of the gas tank. The second fuel line comes down. That's the fill. And then the third fuel line comes down to the exhaust, the muffler. I'm thinking that I will make a T at the muffler and then put a check valve close to the muffler on that line, and then the second part of the T will be the overflow. I believe that's correct. If you can give me some ideas. So I'm trying to figure that out for overflow, so I don't keep filling up the muffler or filling up the engine.